driving through here, but see, this is like an Asian market area. One of the big ones here in Richardson. There's Maru Ramen. So this was the first ramen place I went to. That's when I went with Anna at UTD. But I'm not going in, but just showing you. There it is. Yeah, from what I remember, it was pretty good. So I may come back one day. I just don't feel like it right now, but there it is. And that big building up there, that's where id Software is. The developers who created Doom, the video game. It's right over there. State Farm building is a huge area. Built up a few years ago. But I'm going into the Whole Foods here. They have a lot over there. There's a C8. C8 right there. Yeah, so people working these big State Farm buildings, man, they can just walk over here and get food. That's the spot. So, this is one of the best Whole Foods, too. I've been here once. Yeah. So let me park somewhere. But like the restrooms upstairs, and they have like eating spot. Let me park. There's a restroom down here. One of the nicest ones in the whole area. I don't even know what this is, a random blog. Got the foods. I used to eat some food for the first time at Whole Foods when I was working at Brazen Animation a few years ago. Can't eat lemon rice. I'm allergic to lemon now. Yeah, man, I want to eat something, but I can't. It's good. They have like an elevator too. This is the only one that I know that has like an upstairs. It's the Whole Foods in like North Dallas area. So just sit up here and eat. First a cop, now fire trucks. I don't know what's going on, man. That was crazy. A cop just came to here real fast. And there's fire and smoke that direction. Something else is going on.